everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In today's video, we are going to learn how to handle frames. I have been using this Java documentation to practice frames. I will add the link in the description. Since frames are separate from the main page DOM, we cannot directly interact with the elements inside them. For example, this is a separate frame and this is a separate frame. So, in automation testing, it's important to know how to switch to a frame and interact with the elements inside it. In this video, I'll show you how to locate frames and perform actions within them using Playwright. So, let's get started. I have already created a test handle frames. First step is to go to the URL. So, I have added the URL. Next, let's say I wanted to select abstract border. So, I'm inspecting this. Actually, this is inside the frame, but let's see if this works when I don't provide the frame locator. So I'm going to find the XPath. I'm going to use a selector hub. Yes, this is the one. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy this. And then await page dot locator and then dot click. Let us execute this test and see the result. As you can see, the test failed because we didn't switch to the frame using the frame locator. So now I'm going to give the frame locator await page dot frame locator. Frame locator is used to switch between the frames. So I have to find the XPath for the frame. So this is actually abstract border is inside this frame. So when I inspect, I could see this is the frame. So I can use name. So I'm gonna give here so I found the XPath. Now we are going to paste it over here. And then I'm going to store this inside. I'm giving a name as frame just for understanding purpose, or I can give it as iframe. And then I'm going to change here also as iframe. Await iframe dot locator. First it has to enter into the frame and then it has to select the exact locator inside the frame. I'm adding await page dot pause so that at the end, so we can observe the result of the test execution. So let us see if this is working now. As you can see, it is working now because it clicked on abstract border and we are able to see that screen. I will close this. So friends, that's how we have to handle frames in Playwright. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video with another useful Playwright concept. Bye bye.